Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. Samsung next unpacked event is scheduled on August 10th and literally we are less than 3 weeks away. This unpacked event will be packing 4 devices which include 2 foldable devices which are the star of the show, the Galaxy Z Fold 4 and the Flip 4. While the other 2 devices are going to be the Galaxy Watch 5 Duo and a new Galaxy Buds Pro 2. We know plenty of information already about these devices, including what they may look like, what they will offer in terms of specs, and how much they will cost. With that being said, nothing is official until official. Now, let's rewind those leaks for Fold 4 and Flip 4 and also check some new one as well. Now, first starting with the price, which is the main factor for the foldable success. Initially, there were rumors that Fold 4 and Flip 4 will be cheaper than their predecessor, but a recent report said that the Flip 4 might be a little more expensive. According to a blog called Gizpa, a European retailer has already listed the phone. As per the listing, the 256GB of Fold 4 will be launching with a price tag of 1,863 euros and the 512 model will be priced at 1981 euros. The same outlet says that the 128GB Z Flip 4 will cost you around 1080 euros and the 256GB edition will be costing you around 1158 euros and the maxed out model will fetch you around 1275 euros. In contrast, as pointed out by Twitter leakster Elvin, the 256GB of Fold 3 had a price tag of 1799 euros and 128GB Flip 3 was launched for 1049 euros. If the leak is true, then this price is even more than the last year Fold 3 devices. Thankfully, other credible leakster claims either we see drop in price tag for both the foldable devices or we have the same price as the last year Fold 3. Now let's talk about some of the changes that is coming for the Fold 4 devices. Now the first major change that you could see in the Fold 4 devices will be the outer display that is going to be a little bit wider as compared to the Fold 3. It's going to be coming with small bezels all around. That is because we have a new hinge mechanism, that is, instead of having 2 hinges we now have a single hinge for the Fold 4 devices, which is going to be benefiting for the outer display to be a little bit wider. Anyhow, the next improvement will be in camera department, where we have a 16 megapixel of outer display, a new selfie camera for the under display camera sensor, and also we have an improvement in the outer camera sensor as well. Like we have the main 50 megapixel of our sensor and 16 megapixel of ultra wide and a new 10 megapixel of 3x of telephoto lens, which is going to be stronger than the S22 Ultra. This is a huge upgrade in terms of camera, just because the fact that most people are demanding for the camera improvements and Samsung is gonna bringing this into its new foldable devices, which is absolutely great. And the third major change in the Fold 4 will be an upgraded processor, which most probably be Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 Plus, which has improvement in heat management and performance. Rest of the specs are same, like we have the same side mounted fingerprint scanner, S Pen support, IP68 rating, same battery capacity and same charging speed. Now moving forward towards the Flip 4, we don't see any major changes in the Flip 4, only there is going to be an improvement in the battery capacity and charging speed. Like we have a new 3900 mAh of a battery capacity and a new 25 watt of charging support. Also a new processor is going to be including alongside with an improved hinge mechanism. And finally, there is going to be a slightly change on the outer display of the Flip 4. Other than that, the device is looking exactly same as the last year Flip 3. Now for the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro, it's going to be costing you around 229 euros and it will be the second generation of Buds Pro, which is going to be improved. Pre-order reservations are already live on Samsung pages. You can reserve the devices and you can get different credits for different devices. And guys, these are some of the latest leaks for the next unpacked event from Samsung. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What are your opinion for that? Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.